Why does this seem like magic to me? Oh my god. Hello everybody and welcome back. So today we are going to do a deep dive into magnetic lashes. And hello if you're from Instagram, because I know that I am sending you over here to see my lashes and liner. So yeah, that's the reason why I have no lashes on, no mascara, and no lip, because I'm in the middle of doing a tutorial on Instagram. So to give you a little bit of information on the lashes, I ended up going with the brand Lash Liner, and this is what they look like here. And so I did get the set from them. Now, something I realized doing my research is, holy cow, are these lashes expensive? So I do understand now why people want me to review them, because wow, I ended up spending $55 just on the glue and the lashes. I mean, luckily the liner will last you a little bit longer than maybe the lashes. I think the lashes might be more reusable, but we'll see. I will definitely give you an update at some point once I've used them, you know, and abused them, hopefully. They came at a reasonable time shipping wise. I didn't have really much of an issue. So yeah, I just think that we need to hop right in, because the main thing is do they even work? So if you're ready to see what I think about magnetic lashes, then let's get started. No one can do it like you. Alright guys, so I brought you in a little closer, and it says first we need to stir magnetic liner with wand before use. This little pamphlet that it comes with is useful. So I'm going to stir, stir, stir. Alright, so we have stirred. So it says line your upper lid near the lash line with lash liner magnetic eyeliner. All of the words. So I've got a mirror. Hopefully that won't destroy the look too much. Okay. It's been a hot second since I have used liquid liner in this little brush form. Okay, thus far, super easy to apply, which is great. This brush is actually really awesome. So I think it says, let's see, I need to let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side really quick as well. I want to stay precise just so I don't mess up this review. So yeah, let's wait for 2 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Your timer is set for 2 minutes.
Thanks, Kat. Okay, so the next step on the list is, okay, so it wants you to add one more layer of this so that it helps with it sticking. So I'm gonna play some music and zoom this through. Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna walk the lover. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever want. Alright guys, so I'm gonna set another alarm for 2 minutes, and then we'll be right back to apply the lashes. I only did the second layer on the lash band. I didn't add it to the wing because I really didn't want to mess up the wing or add any more, because from the looks of it, this might be a little bit shiny, and that's no problem. You can just pat a little bit of shadow over top of that wing so that it doesn't look as shiny, but other than that, it's just, you know, just liner. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the lashes came like this, and again, these are the Chicago lashes, and they also came with these little individuals as well, and so each individual is a magnetic strand, so that's kind of cool. Let's just go ahead and do it. I kind of feel like I should use tweezers, but I also feel like I shouldn't. Anyway, so the application says that we should start from the inner corner, right? Start from the inner corner and then work your way out. Yeah, okay. So I am gonna grab my tweezers if I can see them. Yeah, there they are. All right, so let's do it. I may need to bring this mirror closer. Okay, so. Okay, so something that I'm noticing is that if you get it on your lashes, it does stick. Well. That's kind of amazing.
So I'm gonna do the test because everybody on their, every brand of magnetic lashes shows this. I'm just gonna pull on them. Oh yeah. Yeah, they are secure. They're not moving. Okay, that's kind of cool, y'all. Let's put the other one on. So doing it from inner corner to outer is good, and using tweezers like you normally would is actually, it does work. So let's do this side. There we go. So it's popped on the inner corner. And what's interesting is you can feel them there, but it doesn't have that glue feeling. What do you guys think? Yeah? Holy cow, this is crazy. All right, I'm gonna go pop on a lip really quick and then I'll be right back. And guys, I wanted to mention, let's see, so these little anchor lashes is what they call them, those little itty bitty guys. So it says, after applying lashes, hold the anchor under your lash. Oh, so I'm supposed to put these under. Well, you guys, I didn't need to put these anchors down. I just thought they were extensions. Or like, you know, the individuals to where if you needed to blend out. Oh. Okay, well, let's do that really quick. After applying lashes, hold the anchor under your natural lash and apply the lash magnet. I don't know why I keep saying that. It will snap into place to create an extra secure hold. Use 2 anchors, 1 on each inner and outer corner. Okay. So let's just try this. But again, I don't think you need it because they're very strong. I'm gonna have to get close. Let's see. Oh shoot. That was so easy. Oh my gosh. Why does this seem like magic to me? Oh my god. Okay, so these are simply to just secure, which is kind of cool, right? Okay, so that one did it, but I can kind of see it. Sort of. Oh, yeah. Okay, so my main opinion is these anchors, if you're really worried about it moving, which you shouldn't be because the lashes themselves stay on. The anchors are really great, in my opinion, to be something like, say you wanted to fill in an area because the lash wasn't coming over or you just wanted to make it fuller, whatever. But, in my opinion, I do not think you need those anchors. Okay, yeah, so you don't need those anchors. But I would say if you really wanted it, maybe putting them right in here in the inner corners. But the hard part is that once you've done the glue, it gets on your lashes. And so those anchors actually just get on your natural lashes and not hook onto these. Now that's just going to take practice on my end to just not get it all over my lashes. But I don't think you need the anchors unless you just really are worried they're going to come off. Which even after, I mean, this one's probably a little loose just because I've pulled it off 4 times just playing with it and seeing. But yeah, these are awesome. All right, guys, I've looked really close in the mirror and you guys, I think these are definitely Morgan approved. I can't get over how much I like these and they're really comfortable. They don't, because I know a lot of times when we wear lashes, the glue feels goopy, it gets all over your lashes. It's just ridiculous. But you guys, I think these are pretty darn legit. And again, I went for a company that maybe I've seen Tati review, but I mean, other than that, I haven't really seen much about this brand. I've seen like Moxie and yeah, there's another brand. But anyway, so I kind of gambled on not seeing this brand talked about or at least advertisements a bunch. So I do think that if you're someone who struggles with lashes, you need to try these magnetic lashes. So go ahead, hop on to Lash Liner, grab you a pair, and I'm working on trying to get an affiliate code. So when that happens, I'll let you know. Definitely on Instagram, it'll happen, and I'll put it in the description box below. But yes, also, talking about Instagram, if you want to see how I get this look and see more of my tutorials, I do them all on Instagram. So head on over, and I'll put that also in the description box below. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.